Okay, let's dive into how science is turning plain old trash into some serious treasure.
You probably just see them as garbage, right? But what if they're actually hiding something valuable?
Turns out they're packed with useful molecules, and now we have a green way to get them. The old way, it was slow, expensive, and used some pretty nasty polluting chemicals. But things are changing big time. It's called green extraction. So how does it work? Take supercritical fluid extraction. It uses CO2 that grabs the good stuff, and then poof, it's gone. Or how about using microwaves? It's like a super targeted way to quickly break open plant cells.
Then there's ultrasound. It creates these tiny, powerful bubbles that literally shape the molecules loose. Pretty cool.
And that's just a few examples. The main goal is always to be faster, cleaner, and way more efficient.
Okay, but does all this fancy new tech actually work? Well, let's look at the results.
And wow, check this out. Research in this area has just skyrocketed. It's clearly a big deal.
And here's the real-world proof. We're talking huge gains from stuff like brewery waste and citrus peels.
So the science is clear. These green methods aren't just eco-friendly, they're often just better, period.
But what does green even mean here? It's not just a buzzword, it's a real scientific standard. That's where something called green analytical chemistry comes in. It's a whole framework for this stuff. Scientists literally measure everything. The chemicals they use, the energy they burn, all of it. It's all about finding that sweet spot between getting the most out and protecting the planet. And this all feeds into a much, much bigger idea, the circular economy.
Forget take, make, waste. This is a cycle where waste from one thing becomes a resource for another.
So we're taking all this industrial waste and literally giving it a whole new life. It really makes you think, doesn't it? What other treasures are we just throwing in the trash?